Hey folks, it's Brad, and today I'm breaking down some of the pros and cons of FHA mortgages. In a market where interest rates are way up, this has become a very good tool, one that you should look into. And if you do look into it, you should reach out to my local friend and local lender, Kevin Kenerson, with Lending Hand Mortgage here locally. So now let's jump into some of the pros and cons of FHA mortgages. So what is a FHA mortgage? A Federal Housing Administrative Mortgage is a loan where you can typically put as little as 3.5% down, and it has less restrictive credit requirements than other kinds of loans. Now keep in mind, this is not a loan just for first-time homebuyers or those folks with lower credit scores. It's truly for everyone, so don't be fooled there. So let's break down how FHA loans work. If you've got a credit score of over 580 plus, you will qualify for as little as 3.5% down, which is so much better than the conventional 20% down that you would need to bypass PMI, private mortgage insurance. If you've got a credit score between 500 and 579, you'll qualify for 10+% down. Now remember, you're still going to have the same requirements you're going to have on a traditional loan. So banks are going to want your most recent W-2s, tax returns, bank statements. They're going to want to look at your salary, look at your debt to income ratio, make sure you are still a qualified buyer. One astounding fact on FHA loans is that their interest rates are typically lower than their conventional counterparts. At the time of filming for this video today, interest rates are right at 7.5%. Now on a FHA loan, you're probably 6.9771, so there is a reduction there for going the FHA route. Now let's clear up one of the big misconceptions on FHA loans. The reality is you are not required to get a termite inspection or a home inspection. Most people think it's the opposite. Now, as your agent, I'm going to strongly recommend that you do these things to understand the true condition of the house, but remember, it's not required. So you can see why FHA loans are quickly gaining steam as a popular loan option, but there are some cons that go with it. First and foremost, you are going to have PMI, private mortgage insurance. This is a fee that is paid up front in the form of a higher interest rate for the fact that you put down less than 20%. One thing to note is that usually you're going to see 0.5% in the form of an increased interest rate. So the difference between a conventional normally 20% down and FHA with PMI is honestly just about the same. Now another thing that's difficult is it's hard to buy multiple units going to FHA route. It can be done, but it's tough. Lastly, you've got just a 3.5% down payment. Congratulations, that's not much. But wait, that actually means you're going to have a much higher monthly mortgage payment. So make sure that you can handle these things. Make sure your salary, your income, however you get paid is enough to justify the monthly expense that you've got. So that's it. A great quick video on FHA loans. So whether you want FHA, conventional, VA, whatever, I'm here to help. And as always, Kevin Kenerson, my longtime friend, longtime lender, his contact info is below here in this video. So reach out to him or reach out to me and I'll get you in touch with him. As always, think Nashville, think Brad, think real estate, think you, and we'll see you soon. Cheers.